Every player starts with potential. But greatness is built through hard work, discipline, and heart. Welcome to Basketball Clinic Season 3, where the game gets real and every athlete is challenged to rise beyond their limits.
Sa Coach J Basketball Camp kasi, hindi lang talaga basketball skills ang tinuturo namin. Mas importante sa amin ay yung disiplina, magandang attitude ng mga bata. Bago kami mag-start ng training, naglalaan kami ng time para manalangin muna. Simple lang, pero malaking bagay yun para matutunan nila yung respeto at pagpapasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos. Stay in front of the opponent. Stay in front, okay? Supposedly, you face your opponent like this, okay? Like this.
This is more than just training. It's a place where young players grow stronger, not only in skill, but in confidence, character, and mindset. Inside a fun, safe, and competitive environment, players experience the intensity of real basketball through structured scrimmages and mini-league competition.
Nandito po ako kay Coach J mag-training para po matuto mag-basketball.
Aside from improving my basketball skills, I've learned the importance of teamwork, communication, and discipline.
Sa personal po, natutunan ko pong makipagkaibigan, makipagkasundo sa mga ka-teammate ko po. Nadisiplina po ako at natuto akong mas maging consistent sa mga ginagawa ko.
Si Coach J po ay magandang coach, nagpapakita ng disiplina.
The camp taught me how to work with different personalities, supporting my teammates, and staying focused even under pressure.
Every play becomes a lesson, every mistake becomes growth, and every game is an opportunity to improve. With live coaching and real-time feedback, players learn how to think faster, play smarter, and compete harder.
Tinuturo din namin yung tamang stretching at warm-up para mahihanda yung katawan nila at maiwasan nila yung mga injury habang naglalaro. Hindi rin namin kinakalimutan yung healthy lifestyle. Lagi namin silang nire-remind na kumain ng gulay at prutas kasi malaking tulong yun sa performance nila sa loob ng court. Sa laro naman, tinuturo namin sa kanila kung paano tanggapin yung pagkatalo. Sinasabi namin na normal lang matalo pero ang importante is kung paano kababawi at mag-work hard para gumaling.
Natutunan ko po maging disiplina, laging sumusunod po sa mga sinasabi po sa akin. Sa mga drills, nag-improve po sa akin ang aking dribbling, ang aking stamina, speed at endurance po.
One of the biggest technical skills I've improved is my ball handling. I've learned to control it with both of my hands, even under pressure.
Because here, it's not just about winning games. It's about building better players and, more importantly, better people. And at the end of the season, we celebrate what truly matters: growth, effort, commitment, excellence.
Sa overall goal namin dito sa Coach J Basketball Camp is hindi lang makapag-produce ng magagaling na players, kundi mga bata na may disiplina, respeto at magandang mindset inside and outside the court. Sa Coach J Basketball Camp, bawat bata na pumapasok dito ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap. At hindi lang namin sila tinuturuan kung paano maglaro, kundi paano maniwala sa sarili nila. Dito natututo silang bumangon kapag nadadapa, rumespeto sa kapwa at magtiwala sa Diyos sa bawat laban, sa loob man ng court o sa kanilang buhay. Kasi para sa amin, ang tunay na panalo, hindi nasusukat sa score, kundi sa kung paano sila naging mas mabuting tao araw-araw. At kung may isang bagay kami gustong may uwi nila, yun ay hindi lang ang skills, kundi disiplina, puso, paniniwala na kaya nilang maabot ang mga pangarap nila.
So if you're ready to take your game to the next level, push harder, play smarter, rise stronger, train, compete, grow. Join Basketball Clinic today. and become the player the game demands.